right now, let's go check out their garbage truck. They have Republic services here.
Garbage Family Show.
I've been wanting to follow the Republic Services garbage truck my whole life, and I finally found one. Wow, what a cool truck. I love their blue paint and red star. This is the very first time I've seen one of the trucks in action. And look how full that bin is. Can it be dumped without making a huge mess? Yes, good job. Now let's see where this truck goes next. I love watching full waste bins get dumped, don't you? Heads up, you're gonna want to pound that subscribe button because we have some incredible videos coming at you, and you don't want to miss them. That's the very first time I've seen a woman garbage truck driver. My sister would be so excited to see a lady driving a truck. And she's really good too. Look at the power of that grabber. Awesome. The lady driver got out of the truck to say hi to us. She is super nice, and I love her cool red hair. I like when the truck grabs the can at an angle. Sometimes the can will fall once they set it back down. Not this time, she's good. Listen to that engine rumble. This is a nice little neighborhood. I like the mountain views and all of the flowers they have. But I love their garbage truck more. Haha. There's a lot of American flags in this neighborhood. What country do you live in? Find this on our Facebook page and tell us. Maybe even show us a picture of your country's flag. Look, she had to dump this one 3 separate times. This street has both blue bins and brown ones. On to the brown one now. Now blue again. That grabber is really quiet. You can barely hear it moving. like a garbage truck rolling past you. Look at that mountain view and the palm trees. No wonder so many people want to live in Apache Junction. It's really beautiful. To the small kids watching, remember to always keep a safe distance from the trucks because the driver may not see you. Let's dump a few more and then call it a day. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Republic Services trucks. Remember to pound that subscribe button because we have some more incredible videos coming out soon. I think he's done with the route for the day. Come to Apache Junction for the cool garbage trucks and the cool mountains. Shout out to my friends Bryant and Denise. You gotta come check out Apache Junction. I wanna give a shout out to Brian. He's my dad and helped me create this whole channel. He also helped me build the garbage trucks that you guys know and love. I want to give a shout out to Caden and his brothers Carson and Caleb. Thanks for watching the Garbage Family Show. Stay safe, everybody. When you visit Apache Junction, be sure to stop at the Visitor Center. There you can learn about all the cool things to see and do when you're in AJ.